Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how I make my thumbnails from my phone and how I upload my YouTube videos from my phone as well. The first thing you need to do is to download the Canva app. After you downloaded the application, go to your search bar on the Canva and write down YouTube thumbnail. This is going to give you lots of templates that you can use. Like, let's say we like this one on the top. You can choose whichever you want. These are just templates and you can customize them however you want. I will choose this one. Right, so here I can customize everything. It says how to create your own channel, but I want to change the title, obviously. My video is about CapCut tips. I do have a video on my phone about that topic, so I will make the thumbnail for this specific video. In the video I've recorded, I'm showing some tips on CapCut application on how to edit. So the thumbnail should be relevant to this. So I'm going to write all CapCut. Yeah, CapCut I think is the best option over here. All CapCut tips in 10 minutes because my video is 11 minutes where I explain the first 10 minutes how to edit in CapCut from your phone. Right, in 10 minutes. So now I want to delete the YouTube sign, so press delete and then I go to elements and see if I find the CapCut sign, the CapCut logo, but I don't think I can find it. So what I will do instead of that will be to go to my Safari, to my browser, and search for CapCut, and then press on images and select one of these images. I think this one on the top right, I think it suits the best, and then I'll screenshot it and then I will cut so I don't lose more time on downloading the image. Then I will go back to Canva application and I will hit uploads and I will upload my screenshot and I'll add it to my design. There you go, the screenshot is saved on my photo album and I'm expecting, yeah, great. And then I drag it on my design and you can tweak around and play around to see which one suits the best. And I think I'm going to delete the font where it says CapCut and I'm gonna add the image instead so it looks more professional. I can make it a little bit bigger and I can move around all the fonts. Yeah, no, I'll leave it right here. I'll just make the yeah, all CapCut tips in 10 minutes. I think yeah, doesn't suit over here, so I'm gonna write down hidden CapCut tips because this is the video about, and then I'll delete the image because I don't like it and I want to upload my own image. As you see here, I do have in my library some images without a background and I will be uploading an image without a background because it looks more professional. And then I want to flip the image to the other side of me looking on the letter side. So flip vertical, not horizontal. I make the image larger and yeah, like that. You can move it around many times. And now what I will do is to change the background photo because I don't like it. It's too distracting. So what I'm always doing, if you look on my profile, I'm always choosing gradients color down here. And let's change it. No, I don't like the purple. That's too bright. That's my favorite, but is not going well with this one. You can play around and choose whichever background suits you better, but I think for this photo, for this thumbnail, the best color would be something darker like this. No, yes, I think that one is perfect. I've never done a black thumbnail background before, but this looks very nice. Now let's go to my YouTube channel from my phone, press the plus button, and I have to upload my video. This is my video. This is the tutorial of editing in CapCut. We press next, and then here we press the thumbnail icon and we upload our thumbnail that we've made in Canva, which is over here. As you see, it looks so good on the phone as well, not only on the computer. And now I do have to create a title, hidden CapCut tips that will transform your videos. Be aware that you can change your title from your desktop as well whenever you want, so don't worry too much about the title when uploading a video. You can always change it, and I did change it on this video, but for the moment I will just leave this one just for the video. Okay, that's it. And now I need to add a description over here, but I'm too lazy to write my own description. So what I will do is to go on ChatGPT application, and I will ask ChatGPT to write my description. I will explain to it what my video is about. Please write a description about a 10-minute video tutorial where I show some tips and tricks for editing in the CapCut app. Please add 3 keywords and SEO hashtags, which is done very nice from ChatGPT. And as you see, in seconds it generated me a very nice description for my video, and it has lots of keywords, SEO keywords and SEO hashtag. And then what I will do is to copy this description. You can always change it as well as the title. Be aware to only copy the important part, and then I will paste it on my description. It looks very well. You have to check it and make sure that there is no mistake. And now we have to add it to the playlist. I don't have a playlist for CapCut yet. Unfortunately, I can't create a playlist on my phone, only from my laptop, but it's okay, I will create it later. Okay, we double check everything and then we press next. And after we press next, it brings us here to select an audience. We press no, is not made for kids, and then post the video, and the video is posted. And then you go to YouTube Studio to check your analytics. There's your video with the CapCut on, with the thumbnail on, and it's still pending. So in 7 minutes your video will be uploaded, and the thumbnail looks amazing, by the way. I like it so much. And then we come back tomorrow and we'll see how many views do I have with this thumbnail. As you see now, it is uploaded. Let's see it. There you go. This is the video. And you can go from your laptop and change a few things and add tags and add it to a... Okay, this clip is for the next day, where I already have 35 views for the video. And keep in mind that this channel is only 2 weeks old, so 35 views is amazing for this kind of tutorial. I already have some comments as well, and I hope it's going to go well. That's it, that's the tutorial. It would help so much to subscribe to my channel and to like this video and to comment it, please.